Hi guys, I just wanted to talk to y'all about the Karvonen formula, which is the heart rate reserve formula. And this is part of your requirements for your case study on whoever you are going to be assessing in your home. And I wanted to quickly review this as well as give y'all a quick example. You can see here, this is actually from our cardiorespiratory fitness lecture that we had earlier in the semester, and the formula is listed here. This is your target heart rate, which is all about using your max heart rate. This is what your max heart rate minus your resting heart rate times the training intensity plus your resting heart rate again. So you can see here I have a subject who is 20 years old and their resting heart rate is 68. So we would calculate the heart rate reserve, which is the max heart rate minus the resting heart rate, which gives us 132. So we put that into our formula, 132 times our training intensity, which is 65%, plus the resting heart rate. So remember, anytime you're multiplying percentages, 132 times 0.65, and that equals 85.8, plus the resting heart rate, which is 68, equals 153.8. So clicking over here, you can see with your exercise maintaining a heart rate, when you are prescribing cardiorespiratory fitness, I want you to make sure you're paying attention to the training intensities, because you should see, you will be indicating what their range, your participant's range is in the low intensity, the moderate intensity, as well as vigorous intensity. And you are going to tell me what you want them to maintain their heart rate between. So if you have a brand new exerciser, you are wanting them to start out in the low intensity, right? So if they haven't exercised in 20 years, you do not want to start them in vigorous intensity by any means. You want them to listen to their body and make sure that they can, start out at a low intensity. And paying attention to their body and what's going on with them. So make sure that you are prescribing them correctly, as well as this should, I should see an increase here, and you should give me a range at what you want your participant to exercise at. So really over here, you can see like 153.8, I would just put 154, right? So this is he or she is working out at a training intensity of that moderate, of the low intensity to moderate intensity. So they could go between two ranges, right? If you have a new exerciser and they have exercised for a month at low intensity, then they might increase, to moderate intensity, or maybe after 3 weeks. It really depends on the person and how they are feeling. So you can see on this chart, make sure that you are filling it out correctly, and make sure that you, of course, email me with any questions. Thanks.